channel, and today I'm going to the Melbourne Food Truck Festival, which is conducted yearly once, and they have almost 40 food trucks to choose from. I'm so hungry right now, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Hope you enjoyed the vlog, and thank you so much for supporting all these days. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe below and hit the bell icon so that you'll receive all the updates. So I'll see you guys next time in my next vlog. See ya!